How to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of the application, and further, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Here, if you see, you cannot view the locked chats tab anywhere. You will only be able to view your regular chats and your archived chats. So to view your locked chats, swipe all the way to the down and you will see an additional tab above the archived tab, which is generally not shown unless you force downward swipe on your screen. So now go ahead and tap on the locked chats option. And now in order to be able to view the locked chats, you will have to enter your Face ID or passcode. So go ahead and enter whichever option is suitable for you and you will be able to view the locked chats on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.